outlet. Today we're going to show you how we plug a tire. Now, here's the nail that's punctured the tire already. So first we're going to take the nail out. We're going to use a pair of cutters to get the nail out of the tire. And you can hear the air leaking from the tire. Then we're going to, for time purposes, I've already put a plug in the pin. Now this pin has a space in the middle for when you pull the pin out of the tire, it leaves the plug inside the tire. We use this drill. So now we're gonna plug the tire. All right, now it's important to cut the excess plug off so when you drive it doesn't pull the plug out of the tire. And just like that, it's fixed. I'm going to replace the air pressure that left the tire when I pulled the nail out. It's important to do this for many reasons: to have the tire aired up correctly and to make sure you can find any more leaks when you put it in the water. We're gonna put this tire at 40 pounds PSI. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna check this tire in the water to make sure there's no leak and the plug held properly. Check it in the water to make sure that the repair held, and so we can find out if there's any other leaks. All right, here's the plug. That looks good. Now we're gonna submerge the tire to make sure there's no other leaks. And just like that, the tire is fixed. Very, very simple way to fix the tire.